Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the thermostat and the housing for this 2003 Ford Focus. Alright guys, so this is where the thermostat housing is, and just got to remove like 3 bolts on the side here, and then the thermostat is inside there. So put a pan down there because you're probably going to spill some, well, you're definitely going to spill some antifreeze. So alright, first thing you want to do is remove this hose. We're just going to clip this. Use this other hose clamp. All over the place. Alright, we got another hose down there. This one. There you go. Got other hoses off. You just gotta take off these bolts. Another one back here. And then you're gonna have one underneath down here. So 3 altogether. Alright, the housing is off. We just gotta take off the back hose. Oops, something like that. That's your housing. That's your thermostat. Alright guys, so this is the new housing. This comes with a little gasket over here, which is this one. Okay. So now we gotta take off the cover here, and this has 3 star screws or TORX screws. All right, so that's your thermostat. Okay, I just want to show you what it looks like. So make sure you put that. There's like a groove in between here, so make sure you put it in between. In here. Make sure you clean the surface. I'm going to spray some brake clean. You just want to clean the part where the gasket is going to meet. Alright guys, make sure you have a gasket over here. And we're going to start by just basically doing the reverse. I'm going to put the back hose first and then connect the other ones, okay? Connecting the bottom hose, and this hose doesn't look so well, but anyway, we have to replace the cover here because this little thingy broke off. It's just plastic, so after 17 years it becomes very brittle. There you go. Alright guys, so let's pull this up. You bought anything? All right, guys, that's all that's to it. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped you out. Like and subscribe. Take care.